just remember, there was once a younger version of you that didn't think you'd make it here till today. But they're looking at you now, very proud and very thankful.
Hey, I feel like nowadays when I come on here, I'm always working on something. Last time it was exams, and then I started like job hunting seriously. So I've not really had time to decompress and like reset and like just be myself. So that's what I'm gonna do this weekend. I'm gonna take time to just like breathe. The only thing I have scheduled is to go sign the contract tomorrow officially, because we start training on Monday and next week is gonna be hectic. So I thought, yeah, why not just take time to myself this weekend and just decompress and just like breathe for a little bit. So welcome, let's decompress, even though we don't know how, because we're always working on something. Okay, yay, I think. Okay, so I've been actually craving a doner, so we are gonna get that for dinner today with my friends because I don't feel like cooking today. So okay, come with me, let's go get ourselves a doner because we don't wanna cook. We are in our cozy era, so yay, let's go out for dinner.
This is how it started.
Hi beautiful lady.
This is how it started. My classmate forced this, like having a mini me.
Sasa nayo ako 22.
23.
23.
Yeah.
Okay.
But we were in the same class. So kumaanisha kama amepata degree yako ya kujamaliza.
At least say 16-year-old.
That's at least.
At least she's not 16 then.
100%. What anataka kukuelewa mkasubuhi na mbona mimi nilitokanga job kufika hapo ilikuwa like 20 to 30. Alikuwa na close up, nikamwambia nigga, you're not closing up. You're making one extra pizza for
is coming. There you go. Haya, ameshinda kufungua. Umesahau kufungua mlango.
Iko ni upeni mapenzi.
Sasa.
Imagine.
It has been a while since I baked, and today I just felt like baking some cookies for my friends, so I just found a recipe online that I followed. I'm not really good with cookies. I love baking cakes, but I'm not good at baking cookies, but these ones turned out like really well, although we had to half the recipe because it was too much cookies and we didn't want that much cookies. I feel like baking is sort of my love language. Whenever I find people I like, I'm always just like baking things for them. I started baking when I was in university, I think 10 years ago, and it never really took off as a business, but then I just love baking for the people I love. I love making them things that they can enjoy. It's too bad that I'm trying to control my insulin right now because I can't eat that much cookies myself, but then I can make it for others, and those who can enjoy the cookies can enjoy it. Which is like, why is it that everything that is so sweet always has like a bad health tag to it. But I'm trying this method of 80-20, where like 80% of my meals are supposed to be healthy, and then 20% can be like unhealthy or things that I enjoyed. So cookies is one of them.
Big fucking cookie leaf.
Imespread.
Watu wakianza kuimba usiku msituite.
Okay, so today this is how I'm dressed. I feel so fancy. I feel like a princess. I'm just gonna put on my loafers and then leave because I think we're already late. So I'm gonna sign a contract. So I'll carry this so that I can wear on top of it, because I don't know how strict the manager is and I don't wanna lose my job before I start. So you don't have to be sorry for living and growing up. Damn, I butchered that song. Okay, bye. By the way, Joy, where? Na mbona walinunua hiyo wine yote? Mimi nataka zile za nini? Zile flared. So I signed the contract, we walked around a little bit. I'm still in a search for like not expensive running shorts. I'm saying not expensive because I don't want to say cheap, because I also don't want to cheap, because I want something that will last. And if I say because one more time, I'm gonna scream. Okay. Anyway, I'm still on the hunt for like really good running shorts, so that's benched for now, but I've already signed the contract. We start the job on 2nd of September, and I'm so happy. I'm like really glad the contract is signed finally. And I just kind of wanted to talk about this feeling of guilt when you take time to like relax, especially if you're on track with your goals, because currently most of my goals are going according to my vision. They're not going as fast as I'd want them to go, but they're on track. And sometimes I have to take time to rest, and I feel so guilty. I'm always like, I should be doing something different. I should be trying more. I should be like finding different ways to achieve this and do that. But then I'm like, I deserve to rest. I have worked hard and I've done my best, and I need to rest sometimes. So it's just like finding this balance between not over-resting and not feeling guilty because you're actually taking time to take care of yourself, which is kind of hard. So yeah, sometimes you just need to rest. That's all I wanted to say. Just rest. Oh my god, I need to stop singing before you people unsubscribe from my channel. Do not unsubscribe. I will not sing anymore, I promise. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you. Have a good night. I'll see you tomorrow. I'm uploading another video tomorrow, which is Monday. Tomorrow, because I have something really exciting I'm working on. So see you on Monday. Bye-bye. Thank you for being here to the end. Love you. Good night.